It's Kay. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Good morning. Hello. It's currently 9:37 a.m. and we're doing a self-care day. Not night, not evening, day. Y'all don't understand. My skin has actually been going through it because of this winter season. Imagine acne prone and dry. No products work. Both of my products clash with each other. Today we're just going to refocus, recenter, because I've been in a little funk for the past 2 days and I want to go ahead and just knock that right out. But it's not even just about the skincare. We're going to do a full self-care routine. So we're going to do the waxing, eyebrows, we're doing teeth whitening, we're doing it all. So if y'all ready to get into all the things, cue the spa music. Right now I'm currently drinking spearmint tea, and if you are acne prone, this is for you. It helps with inflammation. A lot of the times acne is due to what is going on in your gut. How to heal that is just to do like an anti-inflammatory diet. But if you wanna do all that, if you ain't ready for all that just yet, drink you some spearmint tea. I drink it once a day. I used to drink it twice when my acne was really bad, and it did help. And how I drink my tea is just straight up, okay? I don't put any sweeteners in it because I'm trying to help the skin, so I don't wanna add on to like, you know, just to make it taste better. Right, I'm gonna start off by oiling my scalp because my scalp is dry. My face is dry. My lips are dry. At this point, I'm dry. I don't even be texting people back. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil. I use this biotin oil by Via Natural whenever I feel like my scalp is a little dry, especially with these braids and my scalp being exposed. It's definitely needed. I'm actually about to put my hair up in some type of style because it's looking a little old, y'all. I had just done my braids about a week ago and they look a little scary. All right, hair went up in a style. So next I'm gonna do eyebrows. I've been loving the straight eyebrow look and I've been slowly, and I mean very slowly, getting myself there. I've been doing it slowly because I don't want to scare myself and like completely regret it. I think I'm going to just shave just a little bit, just this little tail. And it's gonna just help with the makeup. I don't know. I don't think I can go like too straight. I think the max I'll do is probably this right here. I'm going to trim my eyebrow hair. I use these little scissors and they're just magic. Every single time I trim my eyebrow hairs, they just look so good afterwards. Sometimes I do the top. I don't do too much on the top, but I'll do a little bit. Should I shave off a little bit more? I feel like that's the part where I'll like literally scare myself. I think that is a good stopping point before I really just freak myself out. I agree. I agree with myself. That's the best I'm gonna get with my eyebrows. They're not the same, they don't grow the same because back when I was in 7th grade, I decided to shave my eyebrows the wrong way and they just never grew back properly. Now we're gonna go right over to teeth whitening. Got this teeth whitening kit from My Smile. They actually sent it to me in PR a while ago and I've actually still been using it and loving it. So it really does help whiten the teeth. It comes with the whitening gel and the light and the little mouth guard. So the mouth guard goes on first. I already brushed my teeth. Finished my tea because after this you can't drink anything or you can't eat anything for about 30 minutes. You can use this 2 different ways. You could put it on a mouth guard or you could put it on your teeth with a cotton swab, and I like to do that because it's non-sensitive. So if you do get it on your gums, it will burn. I like to put it on a cotton swab and rub my teeth with it. All right, so now it's time to get into the skincare because the skin it's hurting. I'm not gonna lie. The dryness is really getting to me. Like I have dryness right here. It's all on my forehead. You can kind of see it when I like pull it. All genuinely just flaking up right here. Then I have my acne. I have dryness around my mouth. Hopefully this face mask helps it out. Apparently from Anua, the Heart Leaf 70 helps with acne. It helps soothe it. We're going to try to soothe our skin. So you keep this on for 3 to 4 hours or overnight, but it's morning time, so I'm gonna do it for 3 to 4 hours. So that probably means for the rest of the video, I'm gonna be in a face mask. And currently for the face mask, I'm filming for TikTok, so if y'all wanna check it out over there. All right, y'all, we about to get up close and personal. I'm putting on the wide angle lens so y'all can see it all. We're about to wax. Are y'all ready for this monstrosity that's under my arms? Oh my goodness. It is literally so long. For my waxing stuff, I got the whole kit. It's like this Trust Wellness kit that is on Amazon. I'll probably link it in my Amazon storefront so y'all can find it. It comes with the wax warmer. It comes with like 6 bags of wax. It comes with the pre-spray and the after spray. I spray the pre-spray on first just to cleanse it. And then I use a little bit of baby powder. I think I'm just gonna do it. Oh, I think I put it the wrong way. No. I used to use soft wax for my waxing, but I ran out of the little strips, and now anytime I buy the strips, they don't work with my wax. So I'm not too sure about that. You just gotta pull. You just gotta pull. Oh, it's not even picking up. Oh no. That is disgusting. Oh my gosh. I'm looking crazy while waxing. Okay, got up the rest. Period. Yay. Now we gotta do the other half. Boo. Whenever I be waxing, people be like, do you not feel pain? Is that not painful? Oh my gosh, I can't do it. No, I used to know life without Jesus. That was painful. This is not so painful. And I'm gonna spray the after wax. This always reveals like the hairs that I missed. I think this is gonna be a good pull. All right, it's gonna be a good one. Period. I think I need one more, just like a cleanup strip. Ooh. Now we're gonna do the after wax spray. It's like an oil to make sure you're getting all of it up. Also helps soothe it. Boom, boom. Period. All right, I think that is pretty much it for right now. And then I'll come back after the mask is done and then we'll finish up. All right, y'all, so it's much later, about 3 hours. I didn't do the 4 hours because I just wanted to go ahead and take this off. This is what it looks like. I tried eating, it worked. It was difficult. Let's update the TikTok girlies and let's peel it off. Ooh. First of all, I'm glowing. This is the Moisture Surge from Clinique. It's like a gel moisturizer. Y'all, my face is genuinely glowing. I haven't seen my face this glowy in a very long time. That mask, my second skin, that mask did wonders. We'll see if it actually breaks me out though. And the last thing I have for this video is a good lip scrub. I made this with brown sugar, coconut oil, and honey. And it really does work, and it helps hydrate my lips as well because of the coconut oil. I'll put the ingredients up. A little goes a long way. The brown sugar is the exfoliant. The coconut oil helps hydrate, and I think the honey just brings it all together. I try not to eat it, but it tastes so good. I'm gonna take some tissue and I'm gonna wipe it off. But it's literally edible, so if you wanna lick it off. And after that, I add my favorite lip oil, which is this Ruby Kisses one. Got it from the beauty supply, it's like $1. And I go through these like crazy, y'all. So that's the end of today's video. I feel so good. I feel so put together. The skin is glowing. It feels good. It doesn't hurt anymore from the dryness. I just feel good, like I waxed, I'm exfoliated, and I am shiny, period. This is exactly what I want. But thank you guys for sitting with me, enjoying today's video. I will see you in the next video.